Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing just kind of like a vlog style video, and this is just going to be a completely random video just to let you know I have no plan on what I am doing today, but it is Tuesday, it is 12:30 p.m. eating some nice frozen fruits, and gotta bust out some schoolwork and do some editing, and then hopefully we can find something to do, but I really have no plans for the day, so we'll see what the day brings. Okay, so for the past 10 minutes I've just been watching YouTube, finished eating my fruit, and now I'm gonna organize some fishing stuff and see if I could maybe go fishing tonight. If not, that's fine too, but we'll see what we can do. But anyways, I need to get some stuff organized and sorted out, so I'm gonna stop procrastinating that and I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Okay, so I've come to the conclusion that I suck at vlogging. It's been 3 hours since I last filmed, and I need to sweep the patio up a little bit that we put out here, or the fireplace. Gotta sweep this off, get all the shells because we had a storm go through last couple days. But gotta sweep all of this stuff off, and then I gotta pack my gear up because we are gonna go fishing at the lake, and hopefully we can catch something, because if not, that's just gonna suck. Okay, cool. So just got done sweeping the patio and the fireplace. So now I'm gonna pack up my gear, figure out what I want to take today and what I want to fish with. So we're gonna figure that out, and hopefully we got on the lake about 30 minutes or so. But first, I need to figure out what I want to take with me. All right, we're going very simple today. You guys know I can't go without the Yum watermelon seed. I catch tons of fish on this. Taking some baby bass super flukes, zoom of course, and then taking some of our diving baits, and they have hooks in here, so that's why I'm bringing them. Alright, so now I have the stuff that I'm going to take with me, so I'm going to put that in my bag and get packed up here, and I will meet you guys when we get there on the lake. Alright guys, we have made it to the lake, and I'm seeing some bass blowing up right now, so I'm going to throw out the Yum watermelon seed, and hopefully we can catch some fish. Alright, well the first spot was a bust. I've never caught anything out of that pond. I did see a few blow-ups, and then I did see about 3 or 4 grass carp. So I did not see an actual bass. I just saw them eat off the top, but did not catch anything. So we're gonna head back to the other boat slip spot, see if it's open now, and do some fishing there. Hopefully get something there. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm rambling at this point. Alright, I'll see you guys when we get to the boat slip. Alright guys, we have made it to the boat slip, and there's quite a bit of shade over here, so I thought maybe this would be a good spot to throw out, because it is a little hot outside. So well, if you guys did not just see that, I about fell completely into the water, and that would have been a disastrous train of events if that happened. Well, the weirdest chain of events just happened. So first I almost fell in the water, which was a little interesting. And then my mom, who came fishing with me today, just got pooped on the head with a bird, so that was great. I'm gonna get a fish off this boat dock since there's not really anybody over here. No one's launching their boats, so I'm gonna go throw it from there. Alright, so it is the next day. We left the park yesterday, obviously. Did not catch anything, unfortunately. So that was a wasted fishing mission, but it is all good. I was already having kind of a rough day, and then I almost fell in the water. But wait, what made the day better is my mom getting pooped on by a bird. That was just hilarious. But yeah, didn't catch anything, and fishing is just rough sometimes, I will tell you that. But real quick, I did want to show you guys this. This is a Telesen mask with the GoPro mount, and I have a US Divers and snorkel. I mentioned it in a few other videos. I just didn't know the brand of it, and I don't think I showed it to you guys yet, but I don't know, maybe I did. But I am going to get a Cressy snorkel, and you guys will have diving videos coming up this summer. Should be super exciting and fun, so look forward to that. But with all that being said, I think I'm going to go ahead and head out. I need to edit this video and get started on another update video for you guys. And I don't think I'm going to go fishing today. But I hope you guys have a great day, have a great night, and please don't catch coronavirus. I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Peace out, y'all.